Let us see how the gravity separation method or lavigation works. First of all, we are going to take the crushed ore here along with water. Water is also infused from this pipe in the upward direction, just like a jet pump would do. Then we observe that heavier particles of the ore would settle down and the lighter particles, which is basically the impurity known as gangue, is separated out from this outlet. This is known as hydraulic classifier. We have to be very sure here that concentrated ore would come out from this funnel. Concentrated ore means the ore from which the gangue has been removed. So once again, crushed ore which has lot of impurities in it would be put into this chamber. Then water would also be allowed to come along with the ore plus through this jet pump. A suspension of the ore would be formed such that the heavier particles of the ore settle down at the bottom and can be collected through this ejection tube, while the impurities would stay at the top and would be collected through this outlet. The impurities are known as the gangue. Next is froth flotation process. In the flotation process, what would we take is an ore, water and pine oil. We can even take eucalyptus oil or any other choice of oil we can make. So what we would do, if it is a sulfide ore, an ore which contains sulfides in it, for example iron sulfide, zinc sulfide, we take the ore together with some water and oil in it. The mixture is taken in this beaker. Compressed air is sent to it. The air, when bubbled through it, would cause the formation of bubbles in it, such that oil being lighter would float at the top and water would stay behind. We would observe that froth, which basically contains the froth, basically means foam. So froth or foam would have the ore part in it and the impurities would settle down. So eventually we would notice that the froth which is containing the ore stays at the top and the impurities are left behind. So this is one method by which we can separate an ore which is containing sulfides from its impurities. This is known as froth flotation process because it helps in the formation of foam or froth. But one exceptional thing it has, it is used only for sulfide ores.